Okay guys, welcome back to another video, and we are doing, you know what it is, our part 2. So let's just hop right into our world. So it's gonna be maybe an 18-minute video, I don't know. Alright, we're at our L house. It's a bit laggy because it's loading. Our house is looking pretty nice. Over here we got our storage. Let's just store some stuff in there. So what we're going to be doing this episode is hopefully getting some diamonds. And yeah. So what biome are we in? We are in the forest. So I'm going to make a couple pickaxes just to mine with. Alright, now let's go mine. Oh, wait. Alright, so. Alright. Yeah, let's go mine. Alright, where's our mine? Here it is. Making my way downtown. This is going to be a nice episode. We're going to make a lot of diamonds and iron. A lot of iron. We're going to have a lot of iron. So, what are we at right now? We're at 40. Now we're at 37. Yeah, the issue is I can't see anything. Oh, I hear bats. There's a cave right here. There's a cave right here. Cave! What is this? Coal. Oh! Yes! We really need coal. We're almost out. Actually, we are out. I already tell this is going to be a successful episode. There's a cave right next to us. Cave is south, I think. No, west. All right, let's go to the cave. I don't know if it's above me or below me. Sounds like both. Sounds like it's above and below me. Is this a cave? No. Oh, more. Whoa, wait. I glitched it. I wonder if I can do that for this side. No. Let's get some coal. How much do we have? Ooh, 34. Yeah, 34. No, 33. No, 34 now. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. 41 pieces of coal. Unless there's more this way. Yeah. 41. Oh, 42. What? Oh, cave! Spooky. Look at all this coal. I'm gonna find diamonds. We are mining diamonds. I know how to strip mine. Hey, we almost have a staff. Don't yell at me, guys. I see it. Come on, please be 5 pieces. Yes! If we get 5 pieces, we can make like an advanced smelter. and it's gonna be so OP. Then we need smooth stone, which is super easy to get. Then a furnace. So yes, so much coal. Maybe we'll come back for this. All right, let's get some more iron. All this stuff is gonna smelt in like 20 seconds. Hopefully I remember my way back. I'll lead the way with torches. This is a huge cave, by the way. We already have 18 coal. I mean 18 iron. Oh my god, so much iron. I see lava down there. This is a very successful episode. This episode is going to be called Getting Diamonds or Getting a Full Set of Iron Gear. Oh wait, there's no... I thought there was. Oh, that's it? Okay, let's get a bit more coal. Let's get a stack. Actually, I don't know, should I get more? I'll just get that much, however much this is. Oh wow, it's actually a stack. Yeah, that's iron, alright. Alright, 3 pieces. 32! Woohoo! Yeah. Alright, 1 piece. It's pretty bad. Dude, this cave is massive. Oh! Anything? No, I don't want to go that way. Let's go this way. We're going up, but it's fine. Okay. Alright. Alright, so I know this is a dead end. There. Now I know it's a dead end. Let's go down. Down is always the best way to go. Oh. Oh! Emeralds. Yes, we have enough. If we didn't, I would have cried. One more piece. Come on. Oh, look what we found. Oh, we found gold too. Redstone. Oh, let's go. Oh, I'm gonna text my friend on Discord. Emeralds. All right, done. Yes, I have just enough for like everything. All right, well, everything's smelting there. Oh, yep, gotta get this. Oh God. Oh, that would have been so bad. Oh, let's go. Emerald. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, nothing this way. Let's block this off. see how long I've been recording. 10 minutes. Maybe this will be a long episode. A treat. I don't know if I should go this way. There's lava down there. I want to go that way. But like, so much ores. Oh my god, there's a whole nother cave. I don't really want to get lost. Fam. There has to be diamonds. Seriously? How can there not? I don't understand how there's not diamonds. Yes. Oh, okay. Oh! So much good stuff. This is so risky. What if I lose all my iron? If I die, I'm probably gonna lose all my iron. Because it's all in that furnace. I shouldn't have smelted it all. I should have smelted 3. Because now I have to make my way back to that furnace, and I really don't want to. I'm doing this for you guys. This is scary. I really don't want to go down this route, but it's for you. Ew. I'm sorry. Oh god. Okay, time to go back. But there's like such a big area. Fun fact, you can mine lapis with a pickaxe. Stone pickaxe. Oh! Diamonds! Yes! Oh my god, I'm so happy I didn't go back. I'm actually really freaked out now. I don't know where to go. Every time I place a block, I lag a bit. Oh no! Guys, where do I go? I don't know where to go. I went this way. Just in case I don't find my iron, I'm getting all this. How much do I have? I have 20, so if I don't find it, I'll be fine, but I need it. I really need it. Actually, I won't be fine if I don't find it, because I have like 40 smelting. I hear bats. But there's always bats. Oh my god. No! Where's my iron? I'm almost out of blocks. No. Oh wait, I think I remember this. Nope, I don't. Oh, boy. Oh my god. I might as. Oh, this is the path. This is the path. I remember it. You guys remember this path? I do. I remember going like here and then just. Yeah, I remember that. Yep. Alright, we're on the right path. I don't remember which way I came. Not this way. It's like 5 diamonds. That's a good amount. I couldn't have come this way because this place is blocked off. I might as well like kill myself because if I kill myself, I go back to the mine. And I keep all my stuff. Ow. What do I do? I want my stuff. But if I kill myself, I probably will get my stuff. I'm just gonna make the most of what I'm done. Oh, that ends it. Fun. And I don't know where. Oh, there's my house. Oh, a bit of lag. Huh. Making my way down here. Eating cheer. Eating kier. Eating leer. Wow, I have a lot of ores. I'm gonna frame my emerald because they have no use, I don't think. Okay, so I'm gonna try to memorize where I went. I went this way. Okay, I went down here. I'm just gonna follow my torches. Where would I have gone? I would not go this way because I gathered all the iron. I went this way. Down this way. And then up here. This is where I found the emerald. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I went up here. I probably went towards the light. Oh yeah, my torch. I thought it was lava, but... And then I probably went over here. And then, yeah, it's the dead end. So I probably went over here. I'm guessing I didn't. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I didn't go over here. I should have. It's a huge cave over here. I probably went over here. I see light. No, I don't. Okay, I didn't go over here. Whoa, did you guys see that? Okay, I probably went down. I don't know. Yeah. Yes! 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 Alright, time to go mining. I have 36:38. Jesus. Jesus Louises. How much time? Oh, 18 minutes and 50. I think it's about time to go up. So what I'm gonna do. I don't know how to kill myself. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yay! Ah, lag. Whoa. You guys seeing this lag? Uh-oh. First of all, where's my house? Second of all, why am I so laggy? Okay, hold on. Alright guys, this is just to find my house. Alright. This is a perfect time to end because I'm so laggy. So first of all, no, I need 3 stone. 1, 2, 3. so laggy. So it's a perfect time to end the video. Alright, 20 minutes it's been. Alright, smelt. I don't know why I have to, but there we go. And boom, smelt it again. If you don't know what I'm making, you'll see. You'll see. This is all I really need to make it. And these. What do I do? One more. This is gonna be a good machine. Alright, let's make this, baby. There, there, and there. Blast furnace. You want to see what it does? Oh, I was like, where'd all my coal go? Look at that. 2 times faster. Let's go, baby. Oh, let me pick. Okay. Look how fast this is. Well, it's making. Hold on. Boom. Well, if you didn't enjoy this episode, this is very successful. We got so many dang things. If you didn't enjoy, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye, guys.